What's up, my beauties? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. And as you guys can see, this is going to be a review of Glow Recipe products. So this is a skincare product, and this is a skincare product that I think has been around. Maybe it's because I really, in the past 3, 4, 5 months, I really haven't been on YouTube or anything like that. So I had no idea who Glow Recipe was. It wasn't until me going to Sephora and seeing all the products that they had. And one of them really stood out to me, which I will be sharing with you guys. It was this Glow Recipe one that really stood out to me. It was the watermelon hydration, and just the packaging alone, the pink, the glass, the way that it looks. When I saw this beauty right here, right off the bat, I told myself that I had to get it. So I did purchase that with a fresh toner, which I will also be talking about right here. I know this is not Glow Recipe, but I did not find a toner specifically from them at Sephora. So this is a toner that I found, and this is what I have been using with all of the Glow Recipe products. So with that being said, you guys, I used those two. Within 2 days, I think actually the next day after wearing the mask, I saw a huge difference on my skin, and I completely fell in love with it. Once I saw what that one product did, I went and I bought the serum, I bought the mist, I bought the avocado mask for firming, I bought the moisturizer. So I have 5 of their products. But the reason that I'm making this review is because I tried really hard to find a deep review on all of their products, and I could not find a review anywhere. So I want to talk a little bit about each product, but as I'm talking about the product, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm applying it and in what order, because it has become my morning and my night routine. So this is going to be a review of the products and my routine. So obviously right off the bat, you could tell that I love the products if I'm sharing the routine with you guys. I've been using these products now a little bit over a week, and I have seen a huge difference on my skin. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on these products and if I recommend these products, especially because each product does range between $40 to $50, keep on watching, and I'll see y'all soon. Don't forget, you guys, to subscribe, share this video, and if you want to be posted on all the videos that I post, go ahead and click that bell and like the video as well. Love you guys. See y'all soon. All right, you guys. So I am going to review these products based off of the order that I use them in. As I'm showing and talking about the product, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what it is that I'm doing with each product. So it's gonna go in the order. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is this beauty right here. I am obsessed with it. Look at the packaging. This is $45, and it is Glow Sleeping Mask. Is a luxury, bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects the skin. Overnight, this pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting hyaluronic acid face mask, formulated with soothing amino acid, rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify, and it quickly become your go-to mask for glowing skin. That's exactly what has happened. It has quickly become my go-to. Not only does it have a beautiful watermelon smell, but I noticed the texture of my skin changed. I noticed my pores did start to minimize, and I started feeling more hydration on my skin, and I wasn't as dry. And it feels really good. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. So when you're sleeping at night, you're not having to worry about, you know, when you put face mask on and you take the face mask off and it tells you to keep the product on, you kind of like when you touch, you feel sticky. This doesn't do that. So all of these products right off the bat have hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid is very hydrating. It's very good for the skin. It protects your skin from any impurities, from pollution, from anything in the outside world. It really protects your skin. It's an outer shell that it adds to your skin and protects it from makeup and anything else that can take place. So the more hyaluronic acid that you have in your products, the better that your skin is going to be protected especially the surface and underneath the surface. This I would highly, highly recommend. I think it's completely worth the $45. I honestly believe this is a must and something that you should have in your day-to-day routine. I can guarantee you that you will most definitely see a huge difference using this product. Again, this was a game changer for me. So the next product I'm going to talk about, it's not the Glow recipe. The only reason I'm talking about this rose, it's Deep Hydration Facial Toner. The only reason I'm talking about this product right here is because I personally could not find a toner for Glow recipe. I'm sure that they have one. I just didn't see it. But this one really stood out. Again, the packaging for me, one of the biggest things when I see anything is the packaging, how it looks, and then of course reviews, and then of course what it says and the ingredients. All of these are vegan free, cruelty free. I will go in with this Rose Hydrating Toner. I do believe a toner is very important in a skin routine as it cleans off the excess skin, any dry skin, anything that you might have on top, any residue that you might still have left over after cleansing. This will go ahead and take that off and prepare your face for the skincare routine that you have. So I'm using the Refresh because I don't have the toner for them. So this is part of my skincare routine. I highly recommend it. I think this was $45. There's a good amount in it. The bottle's pretty big. As you can see, it's almost as big as my head, and my head is pretty big. So yeah, I'm not going to go into deep detail about this because again, it's not about this video, but I chose to include it because it is part of my skincare routine. So the next product that we're going to talk about is their Pineapple C Bright Serum. This is $49 and there's 30 milliliters of product in here. This is a lot of product for this little bottle, especially because you don't use a lot of it. Very little goes a long way. This is glowing glass skin starts with a bright, smooth, and translucent complexion so reflective the skin appears like glass. This bouncy, lightweight serum will do just what this 3 potent forms antioxidant-rich vitamin C, which includes 22% of pineapple juice, one of the most powerful forms of natural vitamin C, pure ascorbic acid, and stable 3-O-ethanol ascorbic acid to combat acne scars, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation, leaving skin glossy and even. The natural HHAs of bromelain enzymes from pineapple gently exfoliate while the built-in skin smooths. There's chamomile and aloe to ensure that the skin stays happy. And with pineapple serum, that alone, and of course the packaging stood out to me. I personally don't have a lot of scars in my face. I know you can't see it. I have my makeup on and I don't really have any hyperpigmentation, but the reason that I got it is because it does give off a glowy look and it does even out the skin tone. So I do have a little bit of unevenness of skin color, not really pigmentation, but just maybe a couple of dark spots. And then I have dark circles around the corners of my mouth. And I can honestly say that I have seen a difference in my skin since I started using this in my routine. $49, like I said before, and I would highly, highly recommend it. So the next product we're talking about is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is $39 and it's 60 milliliters of product. A little goes a long way with all of these products. On their website, this is actually currently sold out, so that tells you exactly how popular this product is. Another thing about this product that I think is amazing is that you can add this to your foundation to give you that dewy finish. I've never really heard of that with moisturizers, so that's another thing that stood out to me. So this is 90% of this Silky Glow Moisturizer is spiked with vitamin and amino acid rich watermelon extract, plumping hyaluronic acid, and soothing botanicals like ponia and jasmine extract. This cooling gel emulsion absorbs instantly to seal in hydration and prep skin for a day ahead. Antioxidants guard against free radicals and repair damaged cells along the way. Use morning and night. It drenches skin. It's luscious, long-lasting moisture. So again, hydrates, brightens, softens, and soothes. And you can use it with foundation. That is so crazy. When I saw that you can put a little bit of this in your foundation, it was crazy. I would personally recommend to use this with a foundation that is thick. I probably wouldn't recommend using this on a foundation that's very liquidy, but this is more for a very deep coverage, thick foundation that you still want that coverage, but you want some luminosity to your look as well. It's amazing to me to see how much hydration, how smooth and glowy the skin looks, how much brighter my skin looks, how much more awake my skin looks. It has really changed the texture of my skin. I have gone through so much hormonally in the past 5 months, and that messes, you girls know that, it messes with your skin a lot. So I was having a lot of breakouts. The texture of my skin felt very coarse and very dry. Just to the touch, you could feel how dry my skin was. And using this for a week has made a complete difference. So again, $39 for this. I think this is the cheapest product that they have as far as the price. But the price point for all of these products is completely worth it for what they do to the skin, for how good they are. I would recommend this. I love it. Glow Recipe, y'all are killing it. You guys really know what you guys are doing. I'm excited to try a toner. There is one, and I'm super excited to try the cleanser as well. So the next product that I'm going to talk about, there is one more product, is their Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. I lied. This is actually the cheapest one. This is $28 and this is 75 milliliters. This is a Hollywood Beauty, it actually won Hollywood Beauty Award of 2019 for the best face mist. And yeah, so what it's supposed to do is this immerses the skin into a hydrating watermelon mist that is so ultra fine and delicate, it envelops your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh skin and enhance makeup. Besides looking pretty, this bi-phase mist combines two great things into something even better. Shake it before you spray it to mix up the nourishing oil layer with the water-based active extracts for the haze of softening, smoothing, and illuminating hydration. You'll love this facial mist for its ability to enhance your natural dewy glow and your makeup with a single spritz. Now, that's exactly what it does. Verbatim. Everything that it said is exactly what it does. I love it because I personally like it because, ooh, got that in my mouth. I personally like this mist because, again, it is super fine. Your face doesn't feel like it's drenched or soaked, and it just really disperses evenly onto the skin, and it gives you that hydration. It gives you the glow, just like with all the products. This smells super yummy, and you don't have to spray a lot. I actually use this this is the last thing I spray on my face at night, and in the morning after my routine. I have used this as well as a setting spray, and I just really like how it blends in all of the products that I did, especially if I'm using a lot of powdered products. It really blends it into the skin so I don't look powdery, but so that it looks airbrush and beautiful. So this is one, again, that I would recommend. Honestly, I think the reason I'm seeing such a huge difference on my skin is because I'm using all their products, which are all made to coincide with each other. So not only that, this packaging is amazing. It's gorgeous. I love it. So you can't beat it. This is the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. This is $45 and there's 80 milliliters of product in here. Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask is a creamy yet breathable sleeping mask that nourishes and softens dry, tired skin overnight. It's a quick fix to eliminating dry flakes and dull skin. It's a must-have avocado mask for glowing skin. Try it once and you'll want to avocado all the time. So this is for hydration, soothes and calms, softens and plumps. So this is moisturizing and firming. And let me say, it smells super yummy. I love the smell of it. So this product I've been using, I think I've used this 3 or 4 times already. And again, I really like how it nourishes the skin. I have seen some plumpiness to the skin. Again, these products have me just at a loss because I have never found any skincare products from high-end to drugstore that have made such a huge difference and impact on my skin in all areas. So as far as the Glow Recipe, I give them a thumbs up. I absolutely fell in love with all their products. and I would highly recommend it. I think that the price range for these products is very good. I would have thought that something like this probably would have been a little bit more. You know, you have La Mer and you have these other products that are $90, $150 for one container. One moisturizer can be $200. Now, I don't know about them. I don't know how quickly they work. But for those of us that are on a budget and those of us that are not living a luxurious life, but want to have good skincare, I would highly recommend this. Again, I know that when you stack it up and you add 45 and 45, it can be $200 to $300, but you're getting all your skincare, and all of these products will last you months and months and months because you don't have to use a lot of it. But if I had to choose two, those would be the two, or one of each, that I would recommend. But if you can only get one, start off with one of the masks, most definitely. Again, if you're someone who's older, like me, I'm already in my 30s, I would recommend the avocado mask. If you're someone that's in your 20s or your teens, then I would recommend the watermelon mask. But you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for your feedback and for your love. Thank you guys so much for inviting me into your homes. I hope you guys like this review. I'm sorry if I blabbed a little too much, but I wanted to make sure that you guys knew what each product did, how much each product was, how much was in each product, and also what each product is supposed to do. Did it do what it says it was supposed to do? Yes. Each individual product did exactly what it said it was going to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.